Hey guys, I am Miss Vincent. I'm your social studies teacher, your world geography teacher for second semester. I just wanted to go over a few quick things with you, introduce myself. I also teach 8th grade at Dobbins Middle School. I'm a Georgia studies teacher there. And I did my first course of world geography during first semester. And then, so you are my second group of world geography. So what I need you to do first when you get to your dashboard is click on your world geography course. Obviously you've done that because that's where I'm posting this video. Then when you scroll down on the homepage, you'll see where it's got my name, my email address. If you ever have any questions or concerns or you need something unlocked, then just email me at this email address. Tell me who you are, that you're in my world geography class, because I do have about 75 other virtual students that I teach. Let me know you're in my world geography class and then tell me what the issue is and I'll try to correct it. I will also put recorded sessions on here. We'll do live sessions, question and answer sessions. I'll put those on here. And tutoring times. I don't have the times for those yet. I'm still waiting for my schedule for here at Dobbins to come out as far as when my live sessions are here. But once I have those figured out, I will put those in the boxes here. To find your coursework, you need to click modules. Find your pacing guide, you click spring pacing guide. The first thing I would do is definitely download your pacing guide. I would print that out. I would put that somewhere in a notebook, something like that for you to keep up with. And the reason why, when you look at your pacing guide, you will see that each week it shows you exactly what your assignments are due. So for this week, which is tomorrow or today, 1/5 through January 8th, you need to make sure you have Our Earth quiz completed, the climate quiz, and settlement free response. Now, how do I find that? I go to modules, and it says Introduction, Module 1, Introduction to Physical Geography, start here. So when you click on this, it is a textbook. You will go through, you'll read the textbook, and then you will come to a point where it says take the quiz. Once you get to the point in this textbook where it says, okay, take the quiz, right here, you see it says, it is now time to complete the Our Earth quiz. Find your quiz in the assignments tab to the web. You can, easy way to do this, go back to the modules, click Our Earth quiz, start the quiz. I want you to know that these quizzes are timed, the tests are timed, and it only allows you one attempt. So please make sure that you have whatever information you need beside you when you take these quizzes and when you take these tests. You do not have to work with the pacing guide. You don't have, if you finish this week's work, you don't have to wait until next week to start the work. You can go ahead, you can start it. You can go through the modules on your self-paced. It is a self-paced course. You just need to make sure that when you are looking at your pacing guide, I'm going to go back to your pacing guide. You need to make sure that when you're looking at this pacing guide, that you at least have the work complete that is due that week. This should automatically, each night, your grade should automatically populate into Infinite Campus. Remember, Infinite Campus is where you need to find your averages at. So as you complete an assignment, it will populate in Infinite Campus. You also need to make note that the week of the 17th, May 17th through 21st, you do have a final exam in this course. So please make note of that. To get to your conferences, when we do live sessions, I'll do those in here under conferences. Actually, yeah, they'll be under conferences, so please make sure you do that. If they're not and it's in a Zoom, I will make sure I send you a Zoom link to do it there. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at any time. I try to answer my emails pretty quickly, but remember, I have 2 face-to-face classes here along with 70 virtual students here. So I will get them answered. If you email me before 4 o'clock, I will get them answered that day. If it's after 4 o'clock, it might be the next day when I answer your questions. I look forward to working with you and speaking to you soon.